Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, but today, we're breaking down the science of nutrition and its impact on men's performance. Welcome to Healthy Life. Have you ever wondered how what you eat can affect your performance in the bedroom? Today, we're breaking down the science of nutrition and its impact on men's performance, why certain foods help, why others hurt, and what's really going on inside your body. Stick around to discover the fascinating connection between your plate and your performance. You won't want to miss it. Alright, let's get down to the basics. Think of your arteries as the highways for blood flow, and for a strong performance, those highways need to be clear. When a man gets aroused, his brain sends signals to the muscles in the male anatomy, telling them to relax. This relaxation allows blood to rush in, filling two chambers called the corpora cavernosa. A crucial molecule called nitric oxide, or NO, plays a huge role in this whole process. If your arteries are narrowed or blocked due to poor diet and lifestyle choices, it's like having a traffic jam in your blood vessels. So, we know blood flow is key, but how does food play a role? What you eat directly impacts the health of your blood vessels and your body's ability to produce nitric oxide. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are packed with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. Think of these foods as the superheroes of your vascular system, keeping those highways clear and traffic flowing smoothly. On the other hand, processed foods, sugary drinks, and foods high in trans fats contribute to plaque buildup in your arteries, restricting blood flow. We can't talk about performance without talking about hormones, specifically testosterone. Testosterone is a key player in men's intimacy health, and your diet can impact your testosterone levels too. Zinc and magnesium are essential for testosterone production. You can find them in foods like oysters, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Excessive sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, which can lower testosterone levels. Excessive alcohol consumption can interfere with hormone production and affect your performance. Inflammation is a natural process in the body, but chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on your blood vessels, including those in your male anatomy. The good news is that you can combat inflammation through your diet. Antioxidants are like the body's natural defense system, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidant-rich foods like berries, green tea, and dark chocolate can help neutralize these troublemakers and keep your blood vessels healthy. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats can promote inflammation in the body, damaging the delicate lining of your blood vessels. We all know stress can have a negative impact on our lives, and yes, that includes our performance lives. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol, which, in small doses, is actually a good thing. But when cortisol levels are chronically elevated, it can lead to a whole host of problems, including performance dysfunction. Magnesium is a natural stress reliever. You can find it in foods like spinach, avocados, and dark chocolate. Green tea is another great choice for stress reduction. It contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which has been shown to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. We've talked about the good guys, now let's shine a light on the foods that can sabotage your efforts in the bedroom. Fast food is loaded with trans fats, saturated fats, and sodium, all of which can contribute to clogged arteries and increase your risk of performance dysfunction. Sugary drinks cause your blood sugar to spike, which can lead to insulin resistance and lower testosterone levels. Fried foods are swimming in unhealthy fats that can damage your blood vessels. Instead of reaching for these dietary disasters, opt for whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your body and support healthy blood flow. Let's create a sample meal plan that incorporates all the good stuff we've talked about. For breakfast, start your day with a nitrate-rich smoothie. Blend together some spinach, berries, a banana, and a scoop of protein powder. For lunch, how about a salad with grilled salmon? Load up on leafy greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, and a healthy drizzle of olive oil. For a snack, reach for a handful of almonds or walnuts. And for dinner, try a stir-fry with brown rice, lean chicken or tofu, and a variety of colorful vegetables. This meal plan provides complex carbs, lean protein, and a rainbow of antioxidants. There's a growing body of scientific evidence to support the connection between diet and performance health. Studies have shown that diets high in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats are linked to a lower risk of performance dysfunction. One study found that men who followed a Mediterranean diet had a lower risk of developing performance dysfunction. So there you have it, the science of how food impacts performance problems. By making smart choices on your plate, you're not just boosting your bedroom performance, you're investing in a healthier, happier you. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need this information, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. See you next time. Remember, small changes can lead to big results.